Hi you guys, my name is Asira. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to crochet in a circle or how to make a magic circle. We're going to start by wrapping the yarn around 2, 3, or 4 fingers, whatever is comfortable. We're going to wrap it once and then twice, and on the second time around we're going to make an X in the back. So looking at the X, we're going to be working in the top half. We're going to go under the first piece of yarn and on top of the second piece. Next, we're going to pull up a loop, and then that same piece of working yarn, we're going to pull up another loop to make a slip stitch. Make sure to take your time because it can be a little tricky when you're first starting. To tighten the slip stitch, pull on the piece of yarn that is not the end tail. I'm going to show you guys one more time. Wrap it around twice and make an X in the back of your fingers. Working in the top part of the X, we're going to go under the first piece of yarn and on top of the second. Pull up a stitch, pull up a loop, and then pull up another loop in the working yarn and make a slip stitch. To tighten the slip stitch, pull on the piece of yarn that is not the tail. And pulling on the end tail will actually make your circle smaller, so that's what you'll use to tighten your project after you finish working in your circle. Personally, when I'm crocheting in a circle, I always start with a chain 1 or 2. For this example, I'm starting with a chain 1 and then I'm going to do 8 single crochets. Once I have my single crochets, I pull the tail in to tighten, and then I do a slip stitch into the first single crochet that I made. And to start the next row, I chain 1 or 2, just depending on whatever stitch I'm doing. And that's how you guys can crochet into a circle. I hope this was informative and that it was easy to understand. And thank you guys for viewing. I'll see you in the next one.